Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the health page. Now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see the watch faces option. Tap on it. Here tap on the online category. Now scroll down, find the category called custom. Select the watch face right here. You can select one of these styles. We have the time at the left side, at the bottom and at the top. Select the one you like, then tap on the plus button right here to add the photo. It will open the file manager or photos app, and here you can browse your phone for the photos or pictures you want to use as your watch face. For example, I'm gonna open the download folder, select the picture, and then we need to crop it. So basically we need to select the part of the picture to use. You can swipe left and right. I believe you can zoom in and zoom out by pinching and unpinching. So crop the image the way you want. Basically, whatever is gonna be on this highlighted, or rather in this highlighted area, is gonna be on your watch face. And once you're done cropping, tap on continue button, and the photo will be added right here. You have a preview of your watch face. You can also add multiple photos if you want, but I'm gonna show you how to do it later. So once you select the photo, tap on apply and wait. And after a couple of seconds, the watch face should be applied on your watch, as you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to add multiple photos. So basically you can keep tapping on the plus button, finding the picture, and then cropping it, then tapping on continue, and you will have the multiple photos right here on the list. Let's add another one, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on apply. Okay, and once you have multiple photos added to your watch face, you can simply wake up the screen on your watch, and the watch face will change each time you wake up the screen. Or you can tap on the current watch face, the home screen, I believe, to cycle through them, like this. Okay, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.